All right, so the first step to getting these windows looking perfect is you're gonna roll down all of them and we're gonna get the edges first. You can see we already prepped these and steam cleaned the edges, got all that pollen and everything out. And so yeah, you're just gonna want to spray not too much solution on these windows, and you're gonna have, you know, a good rag, and most of the time that rag will do it for you, but you might need to get a dry rag somewhere in between once you start seeing more streaks than normal. Back windows are always some of the most grimiest, so feel free to put more product on than the other windows. Once you start seeing streaks pop up, that's when you get yourself a new rag. All right, now since those exterior windows are all cleaned up, we're gonna go through with waxing them, and we'll show you how to do that. So you're gonna go 2 slight dips in there, and like perfect. Yeah, that's just the amount of wax that you're looking for. And you're gonna go streamline with the car, and then remember not to come too close to the edges. All right, up next, we're gonna be covering the interior of windows. So you're just gonna wanna douse the window, not too much, but just enough spray. And final, you wanna review. Reviewing, you just gotta look at the window from all different angles.